So yes, I stand between the EduQuake and a little bit of story around that I would like to give. So firstly, when I and Atish went to Singapore after the AACSB accreditation, I think when we looked at the challenge of getting ourselves globally ranked, as Atish mentioned, it was a 4-year journey. And, everybody told me in the management education space that when you work with a guy like Atish and you get him to open, you can expect a century in the first, while he's batting itself, he'll complete the first, he'll do the century himself. But yes, I'd heard it. I sort of believed it, but now I experienced it. 2 years to get globally ranked after accreditation is super. And I think Atish and his team of faculty deserve a very, very big applause for that. My hat's off to them. They worked really hard. And I think if I've ever seen, like in this whole 25 years journey of IFIM, which is documented in this book that we are releasing today, it's like a report of 25 years, which says a journey to global ranking, which is going to be available to all for download on PDF. And to some, we will be couriering this. This journey of 25 years has been long and arduous. But in the last 2 years, the kind of work I have seen the faculty do and sweat it out in terms of, working on the students and changing curriculum and making things happen in class and impacting learning has been a phenomenal learning for myself. So I have got educated by the educators or my faculty of IFM Business School, and I would like to thank them on this occasion. Instead of, spending more time and keeping the EduQuake away, I would like to, narrate one more quote from a legend that I respect. I'm not going to name the legend, but I'm going to talk about this quote, which has influenced me extensively. And if any of you have heard him speak, I'm sure you would have come across this, and guessing his name would not be difficult. So it's talking about value addition. And the legend says that if you take a grain of wheat, and convert it into a loaf of bread, the value addition that you do to it is maybe 5 times. If you take a rough diamond and you polish it and cut it right, the value addition could be 100 times. And then he goes on to say, however, if you take a human being, mentor, coach, educate, and train the human being right, the value addition is infinite. And this is what touches me, and also why it touches me is because this is exactly what the founder of IFM institutions believe, Sri V.B. Parodi, who happens to be my father. His entire life, like how Atish narrated, was a success primarily because of only one thing: education, knowledge gaining, learning. And he always believed that education is about enablement. It enables individuals, it enables society, it enables nations, and it enables humanity. So the only way of transforming society in a positive manner is through education. That was his belief. And here is a legend who also believed that. That legend is none other than Professor Jagdish Seth. And this common thought process, this common thought, in fact, if you look at Professor Jagdish Seth's journey in life, it's very much similar to my father's journey. His journey being more complex and probably more successful in the academic world, but yes, they are very, very similar. And therefore, to a large extent, I look up to him as an equivalent of what my father was to me. So when we were looking at the new IFM 4.0, we had to lay down the objectives of what are we trying to do in this new version. By the way, the versioning technique of 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 comes from the software industries, So it's very digital in nature. And we, being a school beyond tomorrow, we adopted it. So when we were looking at 4.0, now that QS global ranking has happened, that means we've just entered into it. I think the big challenge in front of us is to sustain it, grow it, and if we go with this pace, probably be in the top 10 soon. So how do we do it? We debated, we deliberated, and finally we said, we lack guidance. We lack direction. We need some experience, and we need some support to make this happen. So the best fit that came in our mind is the legend, Professor Jagdish Sheth. Obviously, it was a tough and arduous task to approach him and get him to agree to become the chairman of the governing board of IFM Business School. However, I think we were lucky, or he was gracious, or there was something that was going right for us that made it happen. And he agreed to take on the position as the chairman of the governing board. And I was very happy to relieve myself from the chairman position and hand it over to him. The kind of experience, the kind of guidance, and the kind of direction our faculty, our director, our deans would receive from him is going to be far beyond what I could have ever provided. And I am going to be learning a lot. But there was one promise that Atish and I made to him, that while he gives the directions, we are going to be his hand and legs and give everything that we have to make those directions happen. And sir, I promise you, we will live up to that promise. Having stated that, so that is the first announcement. The second announcement, I would rather leave it to the design school for what they have planned it out to be. So now I can leave it to them and let the show begin.